today I'm going to be making Stripey's feeding schedule. So I'm going to start writing food at the very top. Food. Then I'm going to write down, so I fed him yesterday, Saturday, and he ate 7 worms. Like all the worms that I gave him. So, okay, why do I not remember how to spell Saturday? I just check on my watch. Saturday. And then I'll put like equals 7, how many he ate. Perfect. The next one, which will be tomorrow, is Monday. His next feeding is Monday. So I'm just gonna write Monday for now. Monday equals, and I have no idea because it's not Monday, but I just have it ready. And yeah, that's how I can make a nice little feeding schedule so that I know about how many worms he eats and make sure that he's eating enough worms. Okay, so I hope you just, I guess, enjoy it. I don't know. I hope you guys just like understand, if you guys have a leopard gecko or any animal really, how you can make a small feeding schedule for it. The schedule you can just write on the flap here, like Mondays, Wednesdays. So I'm just actually gonna do that. So I'm gonna put M for Monday. Monday, there's Wednesday, so W. Then I'm gonna do Friday because that's another day that I feed him. F for Friday. And then, Saturday. My feeding schedule's off. Wait, I fed him yesterday, Saturday. Okay. Then in 2 days, it's Monday. The next day is Tuesday. Wednesday is the next time. Monday, Wednesday. But I don't get it. Saturday. Sunday. Monday is the next day. Tuesday. Wednesday is the next day. Oh, there's 7 days on the week. So. Alright, so I think what I will be doing. Alright, so I think what I've been doing is just I've been just doing every other day. So really, it doesn't exactly fall into the category. So, yeah, it's just every other day. So, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, like 1 week would be Monday, Wednesday. So, one week, if I were to do every other day, would be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The next week would be Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And Thursday, yeah. And Saturday. Like this, so. Okay, so Sunday, okay, so Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then there can be Sunday, and then Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And then it'll repeat itself like then it'll just keep on going. This week will be the first one. I started it on Saturday, Monday, and so tomorrow I'll see how many worms stray people eat. Bye.